Hi.
We are here at IKEA for the first time
Hmm.
and we'll probably do some browsing, shopping, don't know.
Definitely. And let's see what IKEA looks like. I'm visiting it for the first time. Really, it's been here already.
Hi!
Hi.
So we have taken a short break, sitting, tired,
Little bit, not that much.
but bookshelf is sorted. We picked up a few cushions. Other things have been marked, noted.
Yeah,
Confused about the dining table now.
yeah. But the shelf is good and
Statement are also still not sure about it.
but we got an idea. So
Yeah.
let's see.
Overall, how's the home shopping experience going on?
Very good. I'm looking forward to finding more things and actually I'm looking forward to moving into the final thing. So let's see.
We are trying the food at IKEA and it's like a trolley system. Feels weird to check out with your food.
Yeah, it does.
So yeah, we have ordered a chocolate cake, something vegetables and mashed potatoes and potato wedges.
She said it correctly. It feels like we're at the airport.
Yeah, with the trolley and you're checking out your food. Okay, let's try. ये क्या है?
क्या ये और एक्सटेंड करने के लिए Shit. तो क्या कर सकते हैं
एक सेकंड वो रखो. इसका तो ये छोटा छोटा निकल रहा है.
क्या लगा नहीं था इतना मुश्किल नहीं है बट इट्स लाइक टेक्स
अभी नहीं हुआ ना. तो 2 मिनट रुक कर लो, ब्रेक ले लेते तब मैं इसको टाइट करती हूँ. इसको अल्टीमेट टाइट भी नहीं करना है.
प्लस की मेरे
Hi, how's it going? क्या बना रहे हो?
अभी तो टेबल बना रहे हैं बाद में नूडल्स बना रहे हैं वही नहीं
It's bench.
my god look at this God not a great start
Hi, so today is what's the day?
today is the 15th of
May.
May
Finally, we are here. Mahresh is here. He is moving in, sort of like he's taking a 1 week breather and staying alone and just trying to set the space up amidst the lockdown. So we came here today. We went to the supermarket, we got a few things. We came here and loved the view and everything, but the house was dusty.
as you can see clearly with this square design that we spent some time cleaning it up and it was really tiring but it felt good to do that to your own space
Yeah, but now it feels cleaner and I don't know,
yeah
free flowing energy.
yeah definitely like when we came it still had that positive vibe but I think now that it's clean and I will clean every single day it feels good because best thing about this place is that there's a lot of light and if we can keep it clean then we are only going to make it better
So right now we are sitting where our dining table would be. We are sitting on the floor. So even in this corner we have ample light coming in. Just now we are tired, we are super drained. So we'll go home and eat.
Yes. And I'll come back.
And I won't come back.
You'll come back tomorrow.
How's the wedding shopping going on?
I have not stopped anything at all. But Booty's wedding shopping is something
Just it started coming along since yesterday. So.
she's already tired now. Pretty.
Okay, bye.